Have you ever finished a book only to realize you barely remember anything from it? You're not alone. Forgetting is a natural part of how our brains work, especially when we're overwhelmed with information or distracted while reading. To remember everything you read, it's crucial to understand the reasons behind why we forget. The human brain prioritizes what it deems important and lets go of what seems irrelevant. When we read passively, without engaging with the material, our brain treats the information as short-term data and discards it. Add distractions like checking your phone or skimming through a book, and the chances of retaining what you read plummet. But the good news? You can train your brain to hold on to more of what you read by using specific strategies designed to boost retention and recall. Let's dive deeper into these methods in the next section. To truly remember what you read, you need to move from passive to active reading. One of the most effective strategies is active recall. After finishing a section or chapter, pause and summarize it in your own words. This process reinforces your understanding and helps store the information in your long-term memory. Another great technique is annotating while reading. Highlight key points, write notes in the margins, or jot down questions that come to mind. This not only helps you engage with the text, but also gives you quick references for review later. Speaking of review, use the spaced repetition method. Revisit your notes and highlights after a day, a week, and a month to solidify the information. If these tips are helping you, there's plenty more where that came from. Subscribe to The Essential Reader and like this video to discover more strategies that will transform the way you read and remember. Let's continue unlocking your reading potential. Another powerful way to remember what you read is by engaging your emotions and connecting the material to your life. When you feel a strong emotional response to a book, whether it's excitement, curiosity, or even disagreement, you're more likely to remember it. Choose books that resonate with your interests or challenge your perspectives to make the content more meaningful. Context also plays a key role. Relate the material to things you already know. For example, if you're reading about a historical event, think about how it influenced other parts of history or how it connects to current events. This creates mental hooks that make the information easier to retrieve later. Finally, discuss what you've read with others. Join a book club, talk about the book with a friend, or even share your thoughts online. Teaching someone else what you've learned is one of the most effective ways to reinforce your memory. In the final section, we'll discuss how to build a routine that ensures these strategies become second nature. Stay tuned. To truly remember everything you read, consistency is key. Start by creating a reading routine that incorporates the strategies we've discussed. Dedicate specific time for reading each day, free from distractions, and make active recall, annotation, and review part of the process. Set achievable goals, like summarizing one chapter per day or reviewing your notes weekly. Use tools like journals or digital apps to organize your thoughts and revisit your summaries. This not only reinforces your memory, but also gives you a library of insights you can refer back to anytime. Remember, the goal isn't just to retain information, but to make reading a transformative experience. By actively engaging with what you read and integrating it into your daily life, you'll not only remember more, but also deepen your understanding and enjoyment. If these tips have sparked your interest and you're ready to take your reading skills to the next level, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Essential Reader. Join our community of passionate readers, and let's make every book you read unforgettable. See you in the next video.